crow's brain is only as big as a human thumb. You wouldn't think that a thumb-sized brain would be good for much. But in comparison to the size of its body, the crow's brain is actually quite large. As a result, crows are very smart. In some ways, they may be as smart as a human child. Since ancient time, people have known that crows are clever. The Greek storyteller Aesop wrote a fable called The Crow and the Pitcher. In the story, a crow wants to get water from a pitcher, but the neck of the pitcher is too long for its beak to reach down to the water level. So the crow drops pebbles into the pitcher, causing the water level to rise until the crow is able to drink. Scientists have done actual experiments to see if crows are smart enough to solve Aesop's puzzle in real life. It turns out they are. Crows will drop stones into a tube to make the water level rise. They also seem to know that the trick works with water, but not with sand, because the stones simply land on top of the surface. Crows can also identify complicated relationships between objects. For instance, scientists have shown cards with two different shapes, such as a triangle and a circle, to crows. The crows are rewarded if they identify a similar card with, say, one cross and one square, rather than a card with two crosses or two squares. Crows consistently get this task correct. That means they are capable of analogical reasoning. They can see how different objects relate to each other. Previously, scientists thought only chimpanzees, baboons, and humans could understand analogical reasoning. In fact, crows are better at analogical reasoning than children under 4. Scientists have also found that crows can recognize individual human faces. If a human irritates a crow, the crow remembers and will be wary around that person for a long time, perhaps for the rest of the crow's life. In contrast, if a human feeds a crow, the crow may respond by bringing the person gifts or trinkets. The crows may hope to encourage the humans to keep giving them foods. Crows are smart enough that when they're with humans, it's not always clear who's training whom.